Hey everyone, I am AD. Today I will show you Rust Windows environment setup. For this, let's go to the rust-lang.org site. Don't forget the dash in between. We will install the latest stable version 1.62. But first, I want to show you a tool. You can also try without installing Rust. If you click and enter Playground, you can compile Rust. Here, you can compile with the run button. You can also orient the output vertical for easier code checking. Now you can begin to the installation. Click on the install tab. Rust is installed via the rustup installer. Rustup is an installer for the system's programming language Rust. First of all, before installing the Rust compiler, we need to install GCC, msvc or Clang because the Rust compiler doesn't have its own linker yet. And maybe you want to run some C++ code or library inside the Rust code. Yes, Rust allows it. Also, some common Rust packages depend on C code and we need a C compiler. I advise you to follow the path suggested by Rustacean. Therefore, before installing the Rustup, we must install msvc on our computer. For this, you can install Visual Studio C++ build tools from the given link. If you have already installed Visual Studio, don't worry, you can consider it as a separate program installation. You can also install Visual Studio after the build tools are installed. The most important point is that the Rustup installer should not be run without the msvc build tools installed. First, you need to install build tools. If you try this, it will give a warning like this, so don't install and install build tools first. Alternatively, you can install Visual Studio and during install select the C++ tools. For installation, let's download the file. First, let's open the download file and check for updates. Now what we need to do on the setup screen is to mark the desktop development with C++ and start the installation. Visual Studio Build Tools installation is complete. Now we can proceed to the Rustup installation by selecting the appropriate bit option for your computer. I choose the 64-bit option for my own computer. Run Rustup. I want it to install with recommended settings. Write one and start the installation. Our installation is finished. Let's open CMD first. And you can check the version by typing rasi-version. See you in the next video.